Y'all love me. Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's your girl. Yes, I'm back again with another video. Listen, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that button. But let's jump into this wig that I'm about to get in too. But if you didn't see this one will be linked below. So you finish this one, go check this one out. But anyhow, the wig that I'm about to show you now, this is by Sensational. It is a butter lace, and it is called Loose Crimp 28 inches. Okay, so this is how she comes. I want to take her out of the box. Like, okay. So, does she got lace on here? Oh, she do. Okay, it's cut short. Okay. Stop part. Y'all know she got that HD lace. Okay. Let's get into this cat real quick. So you got that ear lace. That part right there. She don't have adjustable beans in here, okay? Mesh cap. She have one comb on the back, 2 combs on the side, adjustable bands. And we're gonna put her on. Be right back. So don't get it twisted. Ooh. Look at her. Look at her, y'all. I don't want to mess up the curls. This wig smelled like it was in the basement. It smelled like it was in the basement. So I would definitely have to let this joint air out, as this is going to irritate my face. So I'm going to cut her lace off real quick. See, she is a snug fit. As y'all can see that she fits snug. I think, I don't know if the beans are on or not. Look at that hairline. So I'm gonna cut this one off. That's what I'm cutting here. And you know, everybody gets how they cut. I'm just cutting straight across. Alright, so don't come for me in the comments. Alright, we ain't doing it. I wish I could just rip it off, but y'all know, when you rip it off, you won't handle wig. Trust me, I know. I know. Alright, so y'all just see I got a little lace like right there. They say it's HD lace, but I think I'm gonna go in with some tint spray real quick, just to show y'all. Yeah, my tint spray. I got this off of Amazon. Y'all know y'all can pick it up anywhere. I'll link it below. Yeah, that looks good. I'm not putting no concealer in the middle. I'm not doing none of that. I put that tint spray on there. Voila. I'm always pulling out my earrings. So, it says she's 28 inches. Oh my God, synthetic wear, y'all. Where is the synthetic? I will go back in later when I wear her and cut that little lace off right there. But, baby, you still can't really tell the lace is there, can you? If you can, let me know. Look at the back. I'm gonna link her, don't worry about it. I got you. I'm gonna link her in the bottom for you. I'm definitely gonna link her in the bottom for you. Cause she is pretty. But anyway, y'all know this is just a show and tell. I was just showing off, you know, spraying the lace and cutting it all up and stuff. But anyway, y'all, go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think about this wig. in synthetic wear. But I'll see you on my next one. I'm out of here.